Hi friends, Mrs. Bryan with session 3 today. How long does it take? And it's going to ask you for some um, activity cards that would be in your student book. And I will make sure that they are in the folder. If you have a printer and you would like to print them out to cut them, you can. But even if you can't print them, you could take a piece of paper and make 18 cards and either write down what the activity is or draw a quick picture for them. And you're going to be cutting out those 18 cards so that you can sort them into the categories for 1 second, 1 minute, or 1 hour. Even if you just look at those things, you could put them on a list, like a chart, where you could put 1 second at the top, 1 minute, and 1 hour, and then write those things in the columns. So we're going to be looking at those today. So it gives you a suggestion to fold your paper into thirds. That means you're going to fold your paper like you would a letter. So a lot of times we want to take it this way, and we want to fold it down, and then we want to fold it up and get about 3 equal parts. You might not be able to get it into exactly 3 equal parts, and that's okay. So our next step is, here is what some of the cards look like. These are cards that says, turn on the TV, open your lunchbox, turn off an alarm clock, turn on a night light. You can see some other things that are in that. So what's another activity that you know that takes 1 second? After you've done that sort, can you think of one more thing? The next one, activities that take 1 minute. I'm not going to show you those because I want you to sort those cards. What's another activity except what's on those cards that would take you 1 minute? And then your last column, activities that take 1 hour. What are some things that would take an hour? And what's another activity that you know that you do that would take you about an hour? Today was a super short lesson because you had that activity that you could do. Like I said, I'll make sure that the link or the file for those pages is right with this video so that you know what you need for this assignment. And again, if you can't print them out, that's okay. Go ahead and take a look at them and write them down into columns. Maybe mommy and daddy would have to help you with this one, but I think you can do it. Okay, so we are going to take a look at workplaces if you want to, eSpark if you want to, teacher time packets. Any of those 3 things are great things to work on. And take a look at tomorrow's session. Session 4 is called An Hour or Bust. That means an hour or can't do it. Okay? We'll see you tomorrow, friends.